Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pink Glam MUA. Yes. Okay. So at some point I bought a ton of new lipsticks off of TikTok Shop from a brand called Beauty Creations. Now I don't really know if that's like a well-known brand or not. I have no idea. I just know I was on TikTok Shop, and as TikTok Shop does, it got me. Okay. It got me. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lippies that I bought from the shop. Here they are. They're in these beautiful components too. I got 2 that are different from the others because these 2 are from their like nude collection, but then these other ones are, I don't know, I just love these components. They're just super gorgeous. I'm double filming, so I gotta give the other camera the good shot too. Anyway, so I've tried one of these lipsticks and then I got really busy and never got a chance to try the other ones. So I thought that we could actually try them on and swatch together. Okay, cool. Let's just get into it. So this first one is this the one I used? No, I want to find the one that I did use. Let me figure that out real quick. I think it's Keeping It Cute is the one that I used before. Okay, yeah, I found it. Okay, so the only one I've used since I brought these home is called Keeping It Cute, and it's this super like hot pink, like my nails, lipstick. Gorgeous. Yeah, super pretty. I'm just gonna pop that on. I'm not gonna do any lip liners because I don't want it to like alter the color or the way that we're seeing the color, if that makes sense. They're super creamy. And personally, I love a matte lip. So I was always going to be into this. I'm just going to do a little swatch on my hand. Okay, a little swatch on my hand. And this is the way the lip looks. So gorgeous. I'm pretty sure I got these for like $3 or $4, something like that. I got them super cheap. The next color I've just randomly picked up is called Late Notice. I actually forgot what colors I picked up. Ooh, okay, so this one's kind of brown, like in the brown, sort of brown chocolatey family. Yes, I love how easily these go on. They're very smooth, very creamy. This would eat with a dark lip liner. I'm not even joking. Like these would eat with a dark lip liner. So that's Late Notice. The next one is called Over It. Oh, and it's very similar to the first color we swatched. It's a little bit more, I don't know, demure though. Actually, I lied, it's not that demure. It's not that demure. One thing about me and pink lipstick, we go together real bad. Yeah, that's so nice. And that is Over It. The next one's called My Type. Ooh, this one is a lighter brown. Definitely in the same family as the other brown, but you can see it's definitely a shade lighter. Ooh, wait a second. Okay, I understand why. Okay, I understand what's happening here. I think I bought this definitely with the intention to wear with a dark lip liner. I don't know if you can really tell in the camera. It's light. It looked dark, but it's light. But with this, I would do a dark liner and then a gloss on top, like a clear gloss on top of all of it. This would eat. Oh my God. Yeah. I hope you see the vision, okay? I hope you see the vision. Dark lip liner, put this on top, put a little clear gloss on top of that. Yeah. My type. That's my type. So gorgeous. The next one is called Behavior Issues. Whoa. Oh, okay, now this is definitely gonna do again what I said earlier about like having a dark lip liner, put this on, and then put a gloss on top. Yeah, this is the same formula. Let's see, because this one's even lighter than the last one, but this one's a little bit more cool tone than the last one. The other one was more warm. Oh, I'm about to be a baddie this summer. Yeah, yeah, again, looks funny because it doesn't, like, you gotta hook this up, you know what I mean? It's a little bit light for me by itself, but if you hook it up, yeah, it's gonna eat. Okay, now we have two more. We have two from their nude collection, which I think will actually look like some of these browns that I picked up from the normal collection. And I can't remember if I was supposed to put these in my makeup kit or not, but they're mine now. I find that actually having a lip palette is actually very, like, just easier for me when I'm out there doing clients versus like having to work with sticks. The clients are more receptive to seeing a palette versus like crushed lipstick that I've stuffed into like a palette. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Ooh, oh. Look at this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Hold on. We gonna get this joint to zoom in, babe. If you can look really closely, the lipstick has a print, like a heart print right on the top. It's a one-time deal. Maybe it's not a one-time deal. It's still there. Okay. All right, y'all. Okay. And seeing how dark this is, I was supposed to put it in my kit. I bought it originally to put in my kit because apparently the girls love brown lipstick, and I don't carry a lot of brown lipstick. Because I don't favor it too much unless I'm going for like a vampy look. This is gorgeous though. Very, very chocolate. Yeah, I feel like somebody's mom with this shade though. Okay, moving on. The last but not least, it's another brown, and it's in the same family again as one of the other ones that I had showed you. But that little detail there is so adorable. Oh, and it's, did I even tell you what the last one was called? The last one was called True Icon. True Icon. And then this one is called Worth the Wait, which is very cute considering this is the last lipstick. Let's try it. Oh, okay. Okay, this reminds me of a lipstick I bought recently from MAC. I want to say it's called Yash. I love this. This could be like a lipstick all on its own. Like you just wear it just like this. Or you could wear it with a dark liner. But I could see me just popping this on. This is so gorgeous. Yep. I love lipstick. I love trying on lipstick. I love swatching new lipsticks, talking about new lipsticks. Pining after new lipsticks that I'm probably not gonna buy or whatever. Love lipstick, and I had a lot of fun sharing them with you. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, swatching some lippies. I really appreciate you. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.